Santa's ride for the MCC shines. Everything running off the Kingboss Powerstation. You ever wanted to be in a Christmas parade or just have a whole ton of Christmas lights lighting up your entire Jeep? Well, let me tell you, it's a lot easier than you think, and you don't have to worry about your Jeep or your battery or any vehicle's battery with the Kingboss Powerstation. And just like that, we are running 12 watts, 13, 14 watts. We've been running these lights for several hours now, and this Kingboss station is running them perfectly. And at this pace, we could run these lights for days on this Kingboss station. Now, I do wish we had the 1200 watt station, because with that 1200 watt station, we could have used some different lights that ran a little bit higher wattage, and it would have been perfect. So, if you need just a power station for lighting Christmas lights, fridges, any kind of a thing on the go, go check out Kingboss Powerstation. It's amazing. This is such a cool thing. Where are you going, lady?